guys! Welcome to Monty House. We're sharing with you. I went shopping with my bestie granddaughter.
Besties for the resties.
Yeah. I went shopping for a girly stuff, right?
Yeah.
Right? Okay, we're unboxing what we bought. Okay,
Haul.
show it that one. Show it that
We
one.
give haul.
What is that?
It's a liquid blush.
Liquid
Liquid blush.
blush, and I have
Lips.
lip seal, lip balm. Is it
Yeah,
lip
lip
balm?
balm.
Yeah, lip balm, and to moisturize. So it's dry chapped lips, right?
Yeah.
Dermatologist, soothes. Yeah.
Soothes dry
Soothes.
chapped lips.
Yes. Dermatologist tested, right?
Oh.
Can you read that one, friends?
No.
Sulaz Rizribre. It's paraben free and how do you say that? Phthalate?
I'm not sure.
There you go. Okay.
And
Of course, we got a sweet gummies for my mama.
for Mama's ASMR video.
Yes, and this one. Oh, I love this one.
It's an assortment of chocolate.
Yeah. It's what kind of chocolates?
They have Smarties, Kit Kats, Rolo, Coffee Crisp,
Oh, this
and
is a
Aero.
Rolo?
Yes.
Oh,
You like that?
I don't know. I'm not sure, but I like that.
There.
I like the Coffee Crisp and the Aero and Smarties.
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. I like the Kit Kat too. I don't really know Rolo.
It's like, I think it's caramel. I'm not sure.
Oh, I don't like caramel. In the middle of the chocolate, right?
Yeah.
I don't like caramel.
Okay, unboxing.
Unboxing.
Oh.
Unboxing.
Which
Okay.
one first, Mama?
Huh?
Which one first?
Do yours first.
Mine.
Yeah.
We got them ASMR.
Huh?
It's in the shade Dusty Rose.
What is it?
Dusty Rose.
Yeah. Yeah, may barkada na ako. Lagi kong barkada ang aking mga apo for shopping. We love shopping. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh. Elf Camo Liquid Blush.
Yes.
Okay. You have to review too. Review.
Right now?
Yeah. Build a lasting flash with super pigmented liquid blush. The lightweight formula blends out to a soft, dewy finish. I cannot read. It's so small.
That's flattering as Elf.
Oh.
Okay.
Directions. What's the direction? Dab 1 to
1 to 2
2 dots.
onto cheeks with the applicator and blend with the liquid blush brush. But we don't have the liquid blush brush.
Oh, I cannot read. So small, so tiny. Mama is blind.
Me too.
Yeah? Are you colorblind?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Ooh.
Not sponsored.
Wow. Are you trying it to me?
You wanna try? No. And put it on my wrist.
Yeah.
Put 1 to 2 dots.
Yeah. Let me see the color. 1 to 2 dots.
Blend with finger for now.
Oh, I like the color.
Yes.
Ooh, it's pinkish.
Yeah, it's very pigmented.
Yeah.
Very colored.
I think for you,
1 dot.
1 dot is okay.
1 dot per cheek.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Yan. Barkada ko tong aking apo. Dalawa yan na babae. Na apo ko. Oy, Leng, dito ka!
Leng, wanna try
Babae ba ako?
blush?
Could I use that?
You wanna try?
Nung pinapanood kami ni Papa Monte. You wanna try it?
Could I try it?
Yeah, you wanna try,
Is
Papa?
that good for me?
It'll make you pink.
Ganyan kami pagka Friday night and weekends.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I bond with my grandkids every
Gonna
weekend.
visitor.
That's why we are busy every
Gonna-
weekend. No
Special,
Sleep
special
over.
visitor.
That's why no time for Whitey. No time for YouTube. If it's weekend.
Oh my gosh.
Right? Okay.
Lips all time.
Yeah, we need that one every winter time because the
Canadians.
Yeah, because of the cold, your lips will gonna get dry and chapped, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you know Alembong?
No.
No.
I don't speak Tagalog.
You do sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
A little bit, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's try.
Okay. Lip seal, right?
Lips on.
Lip seal.
Oh.
Are you not showing?
Oh. I'm bad vlogger.
You're a bad vlogger. Yeah. Nice. Oh. One for you, one for me. Right?
Yes.
Oh, which one? Oh, okay. Let me
Okay.
check. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
This is mine.
She tried it already.
Yeah,
I
we need this one because in winter time it's really, your lips will really
Dry.
get dry.
It says original.
Huh?
It says
Yeah.
original.
It's original lip balm.
What does it smell like, Mama?
Am I saying it right? Lip
Original.
balm. Yeah.
And then there's like a twist on the bottom so you can put it up or down.
There's no smell.
It kind of
I
smells.
like it.
It doesn't really smell like anything.
Yeah.
It smells like Vaseline.
Vaseline. Vaseline.
Yes.
Oh, this is USA made.
Mm.
Right?
Yeah,
Made in
America.
America, not the Canadian. Okay.
Okay,
And this is for snack and for my
Shorts.
shorts.
Check out the shorts after this video.
No. Yeah. But no, I'm not posting this one yet. Maybe next week because I still have videos. Oh, oh no, I need to take one because I only have 2 videos now.
Oh.
That's ready. So there for my shorts.
Which one will
Okay.
be posted first?
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye you. Yeah, okay, you do it. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.